Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is another video on YouTube and newly TikTok. So today is the Dudley light switch on. Here's the tree, see the tree in the background. There it is. But yeah, we'll look around, see what's happening in Dudley today, and we'll go from there, guys. So yeah, let's have a look around Dudley, see what's happening.
Dreams time.
Right, just walking up to a store. These people go past first. So we have this one. Here's one store. So obviously that's a nice one here, look. Yeah, that's leading into the actual town. This is all the way up there, look. So there all is. There's the stage up there as well. Normally the stage is at the bottom, but today it is all the way down there. So yeah, I don't think you can hear like Last Christmas in the background, but I can't do anything about that. What I'll do when I'm showing you through the stores, there'll be different music in the background. But for now, just showing you different stuff. But yeah, we'll go through all the way to the top, go all the way down. Then by the time everything that happens, in about half an hour, the light switch on will be on for the tree. So we'll show that as well. Right guys, that's it. Let's get into the video right now then.
Grinch. I'll tell ya, he's got style, hasn't he? The Dudley Grinch, everybody. How are ya? I'm okay, thanks. You know what? I'm hot. Do you know what you're doing here tonight? Do you know actually what the season is, Grinch?
No idea.
No, you don't know, do you? Do you know where you are?
Dudley.
Dudley. The Grinch is in Dudley, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, I don't know where I am, but I'm very good.
You having a good time then?
Yeah.
Sorta. Okay, fair enough. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get a little bit of a where are we, madam? 1 more minute to the light switch on. Is everybody ready, yeah? Shall we play a quick song, JJ? Do you reckon we should have a bit of a dancing competition, a bit of a dance-off from our special guest tonight? Get our local MP doing a bit of butty grind. Shall we do that? Come on then. And everybody join in as well. Let's have a dance. Come on. 10, 6, 5, 4. Come on, Dudley. 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas!
There you go, look. Right, come on. Right, so we've got this one here. Be careful of the cars here. There's one, there's a tree, so we'll go to the tree in a bit. Looks like a crossover. Crossover now. Right, so there's another bit of Christmas light there, look. And there's the tree, which is now lit up perfectly to end this video for Christmas. Christmas time. Mistletoe and wine. Children singing Christmas songs. With logs on the fire, gifts under the tree. Time to rejoice in the good that we see. There we go, look. There we go. Come police. But there we go, look. There is the lovely Christmas tree, and it is absolutely brilliant.
Okay, I'm gonna go get an ego boost, okay? Hello guys, this was a video of the Dudley Christmas light switch on yet again.
2025. And Merry Christmas to all the viewers this year. Merry Christmas.
Yes.
We appreciate everyone who subscribed.
Hearts go out to you guys.
And, yeah. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Again, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel while you're here. And I'll catch you next one, guys. Take care. Bye bye for now.